Hey, how are you guys doing today? Do you have someone in the family who's diabetic? If they are, I'm sure whenever it comes dessert time or snack time, they feel left out. So we are going to fix something today that they're going to love and they're not going to feel left out. Okay. We're going to make a vanilla blueberry mug cake. Okay. I have cream cheese and butter. I'm just going to put it in my mug. Then I'm going to put it in the microwave and soften it up for just a few seconds. Okay. I just got my cream cheese and butter out of the microwave. As you can tell, it softened up. I have coconut flour, monk fruit sweetener, and some baking powder right here. I'm going to stir that up because we do not want to get a big mouthful of baking powder. That will be kind of nasty. Don't worry about trying to get the ingredients and the measurements and whatnot, because I will give that to you in the description box. We're just going to fold our plate, put that in there. We have 1 egg. And we're going to shake up our vanilla. Got about a teaspoon of vanilla. Mom used to measure it in the cup or in the cap, but there we go. That's about a teaspoon. Okay. We're just going to mix this up really good. Have you guys ever made mug cakes before? Mainly what I make, honestly, is peanut butter and vanilla. But the blueberry is definitely a nice twist. This is just a small little handful, maybe 20 berries, 15, 20, something like that. Okay. Just gonna stir that up. And guys, this is going to go in the microwave, okay? It is so easy to make these. I just got the mug cake out of the microwave. I let it sit for a couple of minutes to cool down. But as you can tell, it's done. And it is also pulled away from the edge of the cup. So let's get in here and get us a blueberry. It's still a little warm, but that is good. And if you, like I say, are diabetic or have a diabetic family member, they deserve a treat too. So keep them in mind for a vanilla blueberry mug cake. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Share it with your friends. And guys, I'll see you on that next video.